What's up, folks? Today we're going to be looking at this really neat Michelangelo action figure and a comic book to go along with this. So we'll just open it up, get right into it. So you can see you've got Michelangelo inside. You've got a bunch of different pieces. You've got different weapons that he can use. He's got two different heads. He's got open and closed fists, and you can pose him in all sorts of different ways. So let's open this up and get into it. So how this opens is you go in from the bottom, and it's sealed down here. Oh, come on. Oh, tough to open. Kind of rip the box a little bit. And then this part slides out, and you got a really nicely packaged comic book here, and it's a pretty thick book at that too. So we'll open. So first, we'll get the action figure open, and we can see Michelangelo in his full glory. So it's a really detailed action figure. I really like how this looks. It's not too overly done. It's not too overly simple. But yeah, you can see all these different joints in here. Like you can bend his arm, you can rotate his arms, you can pose them up and down. His legs bend and come up like that. You got fully posable arms, so you can have him doing one of these like wah sort of things. really nice, really solid construction. And you can pop the head off like this. If I can just pull this off, or if I can just Oh, I pulled his body apart. Oh no. So yeah, you can see it comes in different pieces like that. Oh, so I see this fits in here. And then they snap together. Oh, that's a really satisfying sound actually. Yeah, all of these are just different. Yeah, so they're all different joints that open and close, so you can kind of have him doing something funky like that. It looks like you can give him you can give Michelangelo his grappling hook, so he's swinging into action like that. Or you can give him his iconic weapons, these nunchucks here. And what you can actually do is you can take the hands and swap them out. It's really nice and easy to change them out. So we put his closed hand in, and you can give him his nunchucks. Ooh, if they'd go in. If they'd go in. Okay, almost got it. Yeah, see, now you can see him, he's swinging his nunchucks around. Here, focus on this. Oh yeah, there you go, now you can see. Oh, wait, focus on it. There it goes. Alright, so now, getting into the comic. It comes in this really nice protective plastic. And so just a quick little look through the comic. It's a fully detailed Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles comic. And oh wow, I really like the art in this. Yeah, just a quick sample of the pages. Yeah, all the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Yeah, so it's a few different Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stories in here. And I think there's an action figure set like this for every Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. So this is just the Michelangelo one, so there's 3 other ones you can collect. Alright, well that was the Michelangelo comic book action figure collection set. Thanks for watching. This was really cool to look at. It's a really well put together package. So, see you next time, everybody. We can have him do like a flying kick here. He's doing the splits. He's going. So what can you? I don't want to pull too much apart here. I'm sitting almost crisscross. Oh, you can put his feet together like that too. That's really neat.